Good morning. You find us in Hereford this morning and we are off for breakfast to one of our favourite places for breakfast in Herefordshire, which is Wellington Garden Centre. We're having our monthly catch up today, which is where we kind of go through the diary, have a look at the month ahead, make sure that we know what we're doing and all of the kind of projects and businesses are all in plan, and yeah, get ahead on the calendar. So join us.
And eat breakfast.
It's 31st of March.
At 9:27. Just for the record, there are two of us.
So this week then we've got
We're off to the dog wash. So come and join us. We've not done one of these videos before. One of our businesses. But we've got a smart meter being fitted today, so we're going to go down and sort that out. So we're going to go on the bikes. Aren't we, Luz?
morning.
There we go. Come and join us. Right, we're here, we're in the dog wash. So we are creating a DIY dog wash and dog groomers. Why, you ask? Well, the reason is because there is nowhere near in Hereford really where you can just go and wash your dog and get them dried in an environment which is not your bathroom.
Hey, I don't need a bath, I just lick.
So we've got two dogs, a Basset Hound and a Spoodle, and they're too big to get in the bath. So after months, years of looking for somewhere, we decided to just go and do it ourselves, because that's just what me and Louise do. So we have got this old toilet blocks from the local authority, the council. We signed the lease for it last year in October time, and we submitted planning permission to get it changed from a public conveniences to a dog grooming and dog wash facility. So it's March now, or just got into April now. We had our planning come through, which is a sui generis, about 3 weeks ago, so it takes a real long time. And also it's taken us a long time to get it renovated because it was literally derelict. So I'll stick some photos in there or some footage for you to have a look, see what it looked like before. And I'm going to show you around. Dog wash this side and then a dog groomers on the other side. Have a look. So this is the old gents side. It's bigger out of the two, and we have put new doors on, put some electrics on. Come on in, this is our door stop. Come on in. So this might not look that impressive to you, but trust me, previously it was bad. It was really, really bad. So just here we've got the old cubicles just there. We're having a toilet on this side. We're having a kitchen just in there. And then this area here will be for like the dog cages, so storing of the dogs when they transition over. And then just here we've got the dog wash table with all the plumbing going in there and the electrics in. And then on here we've got the shaving element of it. We've stripped all the walls back to this amazing brick, which has got like a gloss. It's like a tile, but it's actually bricks. Let me show you the other side. So the building here, it's approximately, I think it's about 8 meters by 3.5 meters in size. This used to be the ladies' side. I'm currently using this to open the door, and this is the dog wash machine. So we got this shipped in from China. It took about 6-7 weeks to get here. It's a big beast of a machine. So down the bottom there, all you do is you're filling it with the shampoo, conditioner, and the sterilisation as well. So that just feeds the machine. And then up in here we've got the pumps that just pump out the shampoo, the conditioner, sterilisation. Here is the dog dryer. So it's quite a high volume dryer on this, because obviously dogs need quite a lot of power to get their coats dry. We tested the market before we did this. So just over a year ago we put, I think, £15 on Facebook and said, if you're interested in using a DIY dog wash, then drop your email down and let us know. I think we had nearly 80 people on 15 quid for Facebook. The amount of times that we've been working on the site here and people have turned up with their dogs going, is it open yet? Is it open yet? And it's like, oh, really sorry, it's not open yet. We're still waiting for the water to be connected. We are literally located next to a dog walking field. We've got a cafe that's just opened there, and we've got one of the main thoroughfares of Hereford going past us.
Can you go like an inch lower? Like an actual inch? That's not an inch.
Okay, lower.
Yeah, like there.
What's your inch?
That's my inch.
About that?
That is my inch.
So, if you want some advice on how to get these machines or how to set up a business like this, comment below.
I'm gonna head home. Megan's got English and art this afternoon, so I'm gonna head back and just make sure she's got everything she needs for those, okay?
Okay. Have fun.
See you later.
Bye.
Hi. Oh, hello.
There you go. Sorry, there's my wife there.
Hi, Luke. Isn't it gorgeous today?
We have just, I think, organised a house sitter. Luke, who travels 6 months of the year. He's in Bratislava. Bratislava?
Bratislava.
Bratislava.
Yeah, Bratislava.
Bratislava. He's coming back to the UK. He works from home and lived in Bristol, so not far from us. And he's going to come and dog sit, hopefully.
Look after the boys.
While we're in Sicily. If you haven't looked, go and have a look at Trusted House Sitters. Amazing site.
Just snuck out because Megan's on an art lesson this afternoon, so thought I'd leave her to the Wi-Fi and the house to herself for a little while. But yeah, so we've been in between all of the Lucky Mutt staff and everything else that we've got going on at the minute. We've been building out a little website that enables home educating parents to record what their children or teenagers, whatever, have been doing. Kind of building something that I found that I could have done with over the last couple of years, but doesn't seem to exist in the way I want it to. So what's next? I think Saturday we're getting the van up and running again, aren't we?
Yeah, so let's go and get Lilibet sorted. So the battery's been on charge, and we've also taken her off the road for a little while over the winter period, so we're going to get her cleaned up and ready to go again, because we've got a few trips planned.
Yeah. So we'll probably see you next week.
Certainly will. That's if Bertie ever moves.